welcome. This is my first video on YouTube, and in this video we are going to make web app. And in this web app we are going to use Firebase for authentication and real-time database, and we are going to use API, YouTube API, YouTube API. Okay, and let me just give you a base idea of what we are going to make. Let me just open my drawer tool. Okay, we are going to make two containers like this. Just wait. Sorry. In this first container we are going to play video from YouTube API, and second container we are going to make chat session, YouTube video. So you and your friend can chat while watching YouTube same video, and you can give command from chat to YouTube video like hashtag play this video, or you whenever your friend or you press stop button, so it will be apply on both video. Like if you stop, his video will stop too, and if you start, his video will start too. He can do same. He can do same. Okay, let's start building it. First we will set up Firebase. No, we will set up Firebase in next tutorial. We will do YouTube API in this tutorial. So I'll go to Google Console Developer to get API. Now how to get API? First, you need to create project. Wait, it's loading. Sorry for that. I had to change my account because my project limit was reached. So I have changed account. Let me just now write let's watch and limit let's watch 1 2 3 something like that, and you can set organization or you can do no organization. Let's create. It will take time. Then click this enable APIs and service. Now search here YouTube data API v3. It will take time. Now I already enabled this. If you haven't enabled this, you can just it will be an enable button here. Click enable here. Okay, so let me just show you by changing the project. So here enable button, let me enable it. You can read documentation from here. It's easy. Let us just create file first. When it's taking time. Then let me just clear this. Okay, I'll do file. I'll open new folder. I'll name it let's watch YouTube. Now you have to go to credentials. Now create credentials, and we need API key, so I'll click API key, creating API key. Okay, now you have to copy, and now I will explain you why we need API key. Okay, let me just grab one link here that I have already pasted. You will need this link. Let me just explain what is this link is. uh, Here is the API key. Let me just put our API key here. So okay, now whenever we want data of a video, we have to do HTTP. We have to pay type all this, and with this help of API key, we will get the detail of video. And by searching, Q is equal to means Q is for searching. If I let me just search and explain you. Let me just resist the key and save it. Now it should work. It will take time. Then type is equal to the YouTube video search bar. Snippet line key is equal to everything is complete. Let me just let me use old one because it will take 5 minutes to run. It will always take 5 minutes to load to key your key to work. So let me just get old API that I have. So this is the one. Let me just search it. Perfect. So it will give you a JSON kind detail like this. In this, as you can see, you have thumbnail pictures, as you can see. If you just take one, let me just show you, and let me click. You will get the thumbnail of the video, and we need a video ID to play our video. As you can see here, I can zoom. Okay, here the video ID. By this video ID, you can play videos easily on your with your JavaScript. We got the idea how to do what is the use of API. So let's create our project. I have already created a folder. Now I will create index file, index.html. In this video, we are not going to style anything right now. We will do in a next and further tutorials. Okay, script. Then I'll do boilerplates, and I'll connect the script with HTML. Okay. In this video, we are going to use. Sorry. We are going to use. I can't comment right now. We are going to use input to search video for us and show it on our page using API part 1. And in second part we will connect it with Firebase and all. Then we can do chat sets, and then in third video we will set commands and all. It will be a fun project. So let's create form 1 to get input and all. To input text, and we need submit button or search button, as you can see. Search. Okay, sorry, submit. Why I was searching search. And in value we have to write search or anything you want. So let me just show you how it is looking right now. Let me just close this, we don't need it anymore. So this is how it looks. We have search, we have input bar and search, and as you can see, whenever we search, our page is getting refreshing, and we don't want our page to get refreshed. We will solve this, and our script is connected already, so we will connect a few elements. Let, or you can use let or var. Var means it is for setting variables and all. And so Let's connect text first. Text is equal to document. Let me just give IDs so it will be more easy. And text, and in this we have to do ID of submit. You can set anything. Document dot. You can use query selector. I like really query selector. You can use get element by ID. It will be more easy. Then I'll paste text here. Then let submit button is equal to document dot query selector. Let me just give you an example of get element ID. So get element by you have to just direct write ID. You don't have to write hashtag in this. I'll write submit direct. Okay. Let me just clear this. Okay. Now we will do add event listener to submit button. That whenever it's click, I'll make arrow function here. Let me just do it. Whenever it's lit, first we have to stop that fresh button. So I will create event here, and whenever you can, I'll do prevent default. It will stop that. Refresh inside. As you can see, I will search. It's not refreshing anymore. If I remove this, see it is getting refreshing. Okay. So I'll put it prevent default. And let me just do autocomplete off. I don't want autocomplete off, so it won't be, otherwise you have like autocomplete and all. Okay, now it's done. Now whenever I click submit, I want this text value. Let's so if I do direct like console log text, so it will give me something like this. Search. Let me just something Joma and search. It is give me direct like input type text, autocomplete off, and ID text. I don't want it. I want value. So I'll put dot value. Sorry, value. So if I say Joma, I'll get value Joma like this. And I need to clean this after getting value. So let me just clean this. That dot text dot value is equal to complete. So if I press Joma, so it will clean and give me value 2. Now how we will embedded the video on our page. So let me just give you an example. I have opened one video here. Let me just open one video. I say Joma, and let me just trap the embedded code of this. How to get embedded code here? First you have to do share embedded, and here you go. Now just copy this and paste it in your, and let me just do view total verb, and let's see what is it. We have width, height, the source of the video, title, frame border, and all and picture in picture. You can all things like you can do picture in picture, then clipboard write, then autoplay, then all of full screen. Okay, means you can do full screen and all. So our video is embedded like this. Now as you can see, there is only video ID code to play this video. This will remain same every time, only we need to change this to get video. If I do this, the video will nothing will play, just YouTube, an error. As you can see, we need this video ID. So how we will get it? Let me just delete source for now, and let me just connect our iframe to JavaScript. So iframe document dot query selector, and I'll do direct iframe. In query selector, if you are writing tag names, so you don't have to write anything before it. If you are writing class name, so you have to write dot before it, like this. And if you write ID name, then you have to write this. But when you are writing tag names, you don't have to write anything. So let me, if I how to change source, how to change source using JavaScript. So I have to do direct iframe dot source is equal to that link public. So it should come. My net is slow. Sorry for that. So as you can see, if I do iframe dot source, it will we can change source from here. Okay. Now let me just clear it for now. So now we need to grab data from that link. So how we will do that? Okay, so we will use jQuery for that. And let me just show you, I have already set up accounts. So let's grab a link of jQuery. And what is jQuery? It is a package. Let me sorry. Okay, you have to put before after JS. Okay, perfect. Now we have function in jQuery, dollar sorry dollar dot get. In this, if we give some link or something, it will grab data from that and give us data like that. How we will use? So I'll do dot get, and I'll paste that link here. Let me just grab that link. Okay, this is one that Joma search. In this link we have search Joma, so we will get some data here and use arrow function. Then I'll do data. Let me just show you console dot log data. Perfect. Now let me just go and click search here. So here we are getting data. As you can see, when it is the same data that we saw on that page, Google API. Perfect. And we need items here. These are the videos we need. We just need one video. So I'll put one after this key, and you can put after this video. You can put anywhere. Maths results is equal to 1. Let's try that. Okay, perfect. Now you have only one item, and this is the video. And if you zoom, you will get video ID here, as you can see. Perfect. Now I guess I can do direct console.log data dot items. Let's try that and click search, and I will get ID. And if I do video ID, I should get ID probably. Let's try. It is still giving me an ID. Let me just try again. Items, and let me see. Click search, and in this 0 we need to go in ID. Okay, maybe we need to go in ID then video ID. Maybe let's try video. Okay, only I is small. Video ID. Let's try that. Please give me error. Cannot read property of video ID. Maybe I guess. Let's try it. We need 0th one. Try it. Okay, and we need then. Let's try it. Let's try video ID. It should work. I'm not sure. No, it is giving me error. Means undefined. Now let's try this. Okay, I'm getting that. As you can see, I'm getting it. The code direct from search Joma. It is the first video that I have linked, so it is giving me direct. So I need to change this with the text value, and how we will do that? We can use this to change, or you can use plus sign too. Now this is important. When you use this, you can to write dollar sign and curly brackets, and you can put variable direct here, direct there. So I'll do text value direct there. Perfect. And I'll cut this link and paste it up here. So it will give me data. It will give me the direct ID. I don't want ID. I will change it with iframe source. So I will do iframe source is equal to, okay, let me just copy that first. This data dot items, so it will be more easy. And if I will do iframe dot source is equal to, and let me just grab that link. Okay, got it. And I'll do the same here. I'll use this to put direct dollar sign, and I'll remove this. And now you will get the first video. And let me just place, sorry. Now you will get direct first video of the search you have of the search. Now I will do search the Joma. Sorry, Joma. I should get NI dot the video. Definitely it will take time to load. My net is bad. Sorry, it is giving me errors. Okay, let me just do console.log iframe source. Am I making some mistake? Okay, let me just check. Sorry, Joma, and that means inspect and see console undefined. Why is it undefined? Data 0 dot id. Okay, IDS. Perfect. Let me just do remove console.log, and if I press Joma, it should give me the first video of Joma. Okay, and when if I search Aman Talwal or something, Aman, I will get, okay. This is Aman. This is not the Aman I want. Talwal. Okay, as you can see, now you can direct search and get the top video, and you can play too. This was the great tutorial. It was fun, and we will build Firebase. Let me just write it here. Firebase and authentication. We will see auth with phone and Google too, but we will further we will use Google, and we will see phone too. I will show you the OTP system and all. OTP system and all. It will be fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.